In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make portraits in Midjourney. So whether you want to create portraits from scratch or you want to stylize images into a portrait form, this will work. I'm going to teach you a free method and a paid method. So what you want to do is go to Google and you want to type in portrait, or you can go to Pinterest, wherever. So say there's a style of portrait that you like. You might like this painting type, you might like this with a nice background like this. What you want to do, download whatever image you like. Make sure that it's a PNG or a JPEG or something that can be uploaded to Discord. Have a look at this one. This one's good. So now we want to go into Midjourney and we want to do /describe. Now /describe is going to give us a little box like this. We want to double click on the image that we've just downloaded and we want to click enter, and this is going to describe the image that we've just given it. Now here you go, it's given us 4 different options for what this is. The black woman is photographed against a gold background in the style of this, blah blah blah. Go through these, find the one that is the most accurate. I'm going to click number 1. I haven't bothered reading them, but just for the sake of the video and time. Now this is going to use that prompt to generate this image that you have found here. Now from here, what you can do is you can do /imagine and import your own image, copy and paste a link, import your own image, and you can use these different keywords here, mix and match the ones you want to stylize your portrait like this. And you can see it's already started generating here. Now the second way that you can do this is go to this website called PromptBase, and you want to type in portrait. In here, you can see there are tons of different portraits. There's different styles, pet portraits, whatever you want, they have it here. I'm going to click on this one. And what we're going to do from here is you can buy this prompt, and then this prompt is going to make you portraits like this every single time. It's going to be super consistent and super customizable. So once you get this, it's going to give you all the keywords and they're going to give you instructions on how to use the prompt effectively. Now, you can just put it into Midjourney and it's going to do that. We can go into here now and we can see this is the portrait that I generated from this image here. And these are pretty amazing, I would say. They're not identical to this, but if I'd spent more time reading these, they would be pretty good. Now, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below. They helped. Thank you for watching.